friends, welcome back. For those of you who are new here, my name is Karin and this is Mapping It. Jeremy would normally be joining me, but this video is a little bit different. We are not going on an adventure, we actually just came back from one. We took a trip to Japan and we had so much fun. Be sure to check out those vlogs, we'll have them linked in the description below. This video is a little bit different. We bought so much stuff on our trip to Japan that we wanted to share a haul with you guys. So without further ado, let's get into it, starting with snacks. There are so many great foods you can eat while you're in Japan and so many great snacks you can pick up to bring home and share with friends and family. So whenever we saw something that looked really good, we made sure to buy it so that we could bring it home and share. We got some furikake. This one is more of a traditional sesame seasoning, and this one is a chili crisp, and we were able to try them in store before buying and they were so good. At the same place, we also got some chili oil and some gochujang, both of which were very good. We went to the Miffy store while we were in Kyoto, and one of the things that we saw were these adorable Miffy rice crackers. And then we saw these cute little Miffy cookies, and we also had to get those. When we were at the Mount Fuji area, the hotel we were staying at had a gift shop, and we took a little browse around and we picked up a couple things. One of the things we got were these adorable looking Mount Fuji cookies. We also got a bottle of their rosé wine. We love buying wine and bringing it home, sharing with family and friends. And we were pleasantly surprised when we found out that Japan had some really good wine. So we had to pick up a bottle of the stuff that we tried. Another snack that we picked up were these delicious rice crackers. We were able to try them from the vendor that was selling them, and man, were they good. They just kind of melted in your mouth and they had a nice buttery taste. So we picked up a couple of these to try with family and friends. Our next batch of snacks comes from Muji. We went to the flagship store in Ginza, and although many people traditionally know them as like a home goods store or a stationery store, they actually have a lot of snacks too. So these are some of the things that we picked up. We got some rice crackers, some yuzu pepper rice crackers, those sounded fun. Some pasta curry snacks, we love curry, so we couldn't say no to this one. A lychee powdered drink mix, this sounded really interesting and a great way to replenish your electrolytes when traveling. White chocolate coated strawberries. Now this one we specifically got because Jeremy loves white chocolate. We got 2 butter chicken curries. One is creamy and one is regular. We love butter chicken, so we had to try these. Lastly, from Muji, we got a yuzu hard candy. And now the big kahuna, where we got most of our snacks from our trip. We went to Don Quijote, specifically the Mega Don Quijote in Shibuya, and boy oh boy did they have a lot to choose from. They were actually kind of picked over, but we still somehow managed to have a ton of snacks. We got peach mango jellies. We love jellies, and we've actually had the peach one before. We haven't tried the mango, but it sounded really good. Of course, we had to try haichu, and this one has 3 different flavors of peach. We had to bring home a bag of our favorite salad sticks. We tried these in a Chips and Trips episode, and they were super fun. We got a strawberry milk candy. We haven't tried it, but it looked really interesting. Japan is known for their gummies, and we've tried a few during our travels, and we really fell in love with the peach gummies. These ones were so good. This is a hefty box, but if it's anything like what we had when we were at Ichiran, this will be worth it. And the stuff we had in Tokyo was so good. We had to bring some home to try. Pocky is a very big deal in Japan, and although it was very picked over at the donkey that we visited, we managed to snag 4 boxes. We've got strawberry Pocky, almond crush Pocky, blueberry Pocky, and a matcha Pocky. These all sounded really interesting. A couple other random things. We picked up some Mentia Breeze. We got the one in shiny pink, and we've got the peach flavor. Kind of just like a fruity mint. It was very nice. Some of our boxes got a little bit damaged during travel, but that doesn't mean the contents aren't still good. We got a couple of chocolate mushroom snacks. We got a regular and a strawberry. And our last category of snacks is definitely the biggest. We got as many unique Kit Kat flavors as we could get our hands on. We've got a Tokyo banana Kit Kat, a peach sake Kit Kat, sugar butter tree, strawberry and red bean, orange and gold, milk tea and wheat cracker, which we've never heard of this one, so it was very interesting. Pretty hefty boxes of melon and peach, so hopefully we like them. Tokyo Shima lemon and azuki sandwich flavor. That'll be interesting. A Mount Fuji themed strawberry cheesecake, wasabi flavor and matcha flavor, and lastly, apple flavor. All these flavors of Kit Kats should be really interesting. Sadly, we couldn't try them while we were in Japan because we bought them duty free and they bag them up really tightly for you. So we had to wait, but now that we're home, we are super excited to try them. And that wraps up all the snacks that we bought. It was quite a lot. Next up, we have skincare, and we did quite a bit of damage in the skincare department at Mega Don Quijote in Shibuya. All right, starting with face masks. We got 4 different kinds. We've got the Saborino Vitamin C face masks. We've got these number 3 face masks. Quality First Super VC 100 Super Delivery Derma Laser in gold. We've got the Lululune Vitamin Face Mask. This box got a little damaged in transit, but the contents are still okay. We've got some heated eye masks that are supposed to help you fall asleep a little easier and maybe just relax a bit. In the category of sunscreen, we picked up 2. Both of them are from Biore. We've got the Biore UV Aqua Rich, and the same thing, but in a mist. Moving on to cleansers, we've got this highly rated cleansing balm. And we've got 2 Susai cleansing powders. You don't really see cleansing powders in the US. They haven't really taken off, but these ones look perfect for travel. We got a small size of this mild cleansing oil. Believe it's pronounced funkuru, but I could be wrong. Please correct me in the comments. And we have a highly rated vitamin C serum. Lastly, for skincare, we've got this full-sized facial mist. Should be really nice and refreshing. One more fun find, not from Donkey, but actually from Muji, are these little facial lotion sheets. Looks like a perfect travel-sized sheet mask. Moving on to hair care, we don't have that much. We've got 2 And Honey Melty oils. We've got the Melty Repair and the Melty Rich. These should be really fun to try. I picked up a couple of these travel-sized shampoo and conditioners from And Honey. I didn't want to buy a full bottle in case I didn't like it, but these are the perfect trial size. And if I like it, I can pick it up next time I visit Japan. Lastly, for hair, we've got this wax stick that you can just put on your hair and smooth away flyaways. We're almost done with skincare. We have 2 categories left. First, eyes. I picked up this cute little travel-sized eyelash curler from Muji. And I've got the Heroin Make Speedy Mascara Remover. When you use it, it's supposed to just melt off your mascara. The last category of things is lip care. I'm not exactly sure what I got, but I do know for certain that I'm very excited to try this. The Nivea Deep Moisture Melty Type Lip Balm. It sounds really interesting and I can't wait to try it. It's been a long one. If you've stuck with us this far, thank you for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this content. And that wraps up skincare. We only have 1 category left, and that's everything else that we bought in Japan. So let's get right in. First up, a couple souvenirs we picked up when we visited one of the temples in Kyoto. We've got a little good luck charm shaped like cherry blossoms. And we've got a notebook that you can put stamps in. And we filled it up with some fun stamps we found during our travels all over Japan. Look at that. One of the more difficult things that I love buying as souvenirs and can't seem to stop myself from doing is breakable things. And we've got our fair share here from Japan. We've got some really cute bowls. These ones are perfect for rice or maybe ice cream. And we've got some fun plates as well. They aren't easy to travel with, but they are so worth it. You've already seen a couple of things that we got from Muji in the other sections of this video, but here's the rest of it. Got some classic Muji pens, and this little brush, it seems perfect for scrubbing around those little corners. Then I got this little travel toiletry kit, and it seems like exactly the size that I've been looking for. And then I've got this fun bag. It's the perfect size and it'll be great for using in summer. I picked up a lot of random things from this awesome shop called Luna Earth on our evening in Osaka, and they have other locations around Japan, and it is so much fun. The place is filled with jewelry and hair accessories mainly. I got one of these awesome reusable shopping bags. It is so much fun, and look at how tiny it is. I've never seen a bag like this before. I couldn't say no. Then of course, in a place that's known for their hair accessories, I had to get some. So I've got this fun little headband for use when you're cleaning your face, a couple fun hair bows, and some really unique scrunchies. I just love the flowers on this one. Speaking of hair things, there was a shop in Harajuku that I just couldn't say no to. I'm a lover of scrunchies, so I had to pick up this beautiful lilac colored one and this white cream color that has beautiful gems on it. And then I had to get this giant hair bow and these tiny little hair bows. Super fun. The same shop was selling these really cute tote pegs, so I had to pick up a couple. These Shibas are adorable. Staying on the hair trend for a little bit, we went to 3 Coins and I picked up a bunch of fun hair clips. I love these butterfly ones, reminds me of the 90s, and these hearts are so cute. Also from 3 Coins, I got these water absorbing armbands so that the water doesn't drip down your arm as you're washing your face. And the price on these phone accessories was way too good to pass up. I mean, a phone case for $2, how can you say no? Lastly, from 3 Coins, I went a little crazy on the earrings. All of these earrings were 3 Coins or 300 yen, which means they were only about $2 US. So I had to get some. They had some really great styles, and you have to be careful when buying earrings in Japan. They have a lot of clip-on earrings and they're in their own section. So make sure if you have pierced ears, you're getting the kind that are for pierced ears, and if you have non-pierced ears, you're getting the clip-ons. All right, sticking with the jewelry theme, I have a lot more earrings. These ones came from a store in one of the train stations. I couldn't tell you where, but they had some really good prices and the earrings were adorable. At that same place, I got a necklace. It was so pretty and only about $10. Moving on to keychains, we got some really fun ones on this trip, including this onigiri shaped one and this Mount Fuji shaped one. There really were way too many cute keychains in Japan. We've also got a Totoro, an airplane, Pom-Pom-Purin, and Hello Kitty. On the theme of Hello Kitty, we got some fun pens and this little coin purse that also holds a reusable shopping bag. Sticking with the Hello Kitty theme a little bit longer, we've got some fun socks. Couldn't say no to Pom-Pom-Purin. And then, of course, we've got some really fun Hello Kitty themed ones as well. And we've got even more socks that we picked up from Don Quijote. We are almost done, I swear. I've got this cool scrunchie that's made from reused kimono fabric and this chopstick holder that looks like a piece of buttered toast. I picked up some stickers and some bookmarks at a fun stationery shop and a couple of cool pouches as well. All right, the very last thing that we got on our trip to Japan as a souvenir is a magnet. We love collecting magnets from all of our travels, so we can't wait to put this on our magnet board. And that's everything. If you stuck around this long, be sure to give this video a like. We'll see you in the next one. Hi friends, and welcome back to the channel. Hi friends, and welcome back to the... Hi friends, and welcome back. Tokyo Shima Lemon, and we have a highly rated and we have a highly rated why do I keep saying